Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to make an activated charcoal and tea tree soap today. Acne charcoal is a really good exfoliator, and combined with tea tree, it has very powerful acne fighting properties and it smells super pretty. So let's get started. I am using a melt and pour soap base today. So you can either use a melt and pour soap base, which is ready right after it cools, or you can make it from scratch. All right, so we have our melt and pour soap base set up right here. We've just kind of cut it up into cubes, and we've got a double boiler set up over here. So now we're going to add the soap base to our double boiler. I like that it comes in little cubes to chop up. It kind of gives you a nice little grid. I have scooped out an ounce of shea butter because I like to add shea to my soap mixtures, but you don't need to. All right, I'm gonna set up this bowl to add to our soap mixture once it's melted down a little bit. But we're gonna start by adding 2 tablespoons of the activated charcoal. And it's very, it's this very vibrant black, but it kind of glitters a little bit. Now, in order to get a green coloring on this soap, I am going to add 3 teaspoons of spirulina. And 2 teaspoons, I'm going to use the half teaspoon measuring cup, alfalfa. All right, this is what our activated charcoal, spirulina, and alfalfa mixture looks like. And this is our soap and shea butter as it's starting to melt. All right, I have measured out 10 grams of tea tree essential oil. That is a lot of essential oil, but it's going into an entire batch of soap. All right, our soap base is completely melted. So we are going to add the color mixture with the activated charcoal, and we're going to stir that in. Whew, that's a lot. All right, and then we're just gonna stir that in until it's all mixed. All right, so we've got it all mixed in, and that's kind of what it looks like right now. So we're gonna pour it in and check back to see once it's cooled. I almost forgot to add the oil. All right, and then this is what they look like in the molds. So we'll check back in once they've cooled down. All right, so our soaps have finished drying, and this is how it came out. It is so pretty. It's made with green tea and activated charcoal. It's exfoliating on your skin, and it kills off that acne-causing bacteria. So you can actually get yours today. I have them available on my website as well as my Etsy shop. So go ahead and check those out. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more at-home herbal recipes so you can live a happy, wholesome life in accordance with nature. And I'll see you guys next time.